This is how we can watch two videos at once on Android. Let me show you how it works. And if you're new here, subscribe and we can get it started. So we are actually going to be using the developer settings and the developer options on the iPhone. So if you don't see the developer options, go to the About phone, software information, and tab the build number 7 times until you get the options available. From those, once you get it there, you can see plenty of different things. The whole thing, this section has to be enabled at the top. That's important. But scroll through the menus and there are two toggles you need to enable. So I'm talking about the force activities to be resizable as well as enable freeform windows. Those two toggles need to be enabled for this to work. But once we have that, we can use the phone in multitasking panel. And now we need to have two apps where the videos are. It cannot be really in the same app. So let's say that I'm going to be using the VLC video player, right? I'm going to open it up like this and make the video play in the full screen, right? Now I'm going to go to the multitasking panel, tap on the icon like this and open this in the split screen view. Then I'm going to select another app at the bottom, which is going to be, for example, gallery or video player or something else which you might have available to play videos. So now I'm going to choose another video at the bottom and one at the top. So as you can see, it kind of depends on the phone and so on. But yeah, you can see that we can sort of play two things at the same time. So as you can see, the video is being played at the top and at the bottom. So as I say, sometimes it works better than in other cases, and yeah, it really depends. But as you can see, it kind of works in an okay way. So yeah, sometimes if it doesn't work, you can close one app and also do it in another mode where you, instead of using the split screen, you use the pop-up mode, and then you as well open up the other app in the same pop-up mode, and now we also have like the same thing going on, but you know, not fully split screen, but kind of looking like this. So I hope it helps. Let me know your thoughts and opinions about it below. I'm gonna wrap up the content of the video right now. If you found it useful, just hit the thumbs up and I'll talk to you later in the future uploads.